Hello everyone. If you've been following the Hamlin County learning options, this week we're focusing on time and money. But today we're going to focus on money. Before we get started, let's go ahead and review the value of some of the money that we have talked about. We have a penny that's worth 1 cent. We have a nickel, which is worth 5 cents. A dime is 10 cents, and a quarter is 25 cents. And then you have a dollar, which is worth $1 or 100 cents.
So today we're going to be counting coins. I'm using the little plastic coins we use at school, but if you don't have play coins at home, you can use real coins, or you can draw the coins by writing the value. Let's say you're counting nickels. You can write a 5 because a nickel's worth 5 cents and circle it, just like this. And that would represent 3 nickels. So on my board, we have 3 nickels. And by the way, Thomas Jefferson is the president on our nickels. And each nickel is worth 5 cents. So I can add 3 nickels by writing 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents. And that equals 5, 10, 15 cents. So I've sort of done the same procedure with the dime and the quarter. Since a dime is worth 10 cents, I just added 10 cents 3 times. And we can count our dimes by saying 10, 20, 30. So the value of these coins is 30 cents. Okay, so with our quarters, one thing I teach my students, we do a little chant to help us remember how to add quarters. And we usually go 25, 50, 75, $1. Now, if you can't remember that, what we could do, most of us already know that 25 cents plus 25 cents equals 50 cents because we buy our ice cream for 50 cents and you guys always have 2 quarters. Now, what I can do is decompose 25 cents. The value of the 2 is 20 cents plus 5 cents. So really we could say 50 cents plus 20 cents plus 5 cents. And that equals 50, 60, 70 plus 5 equals 75 cents. Okay, so now we're going to go over how to count coins when you have a variety of different coins. I have a nickel and 5 dimes, and my rule of thumb is when I'm counting coins, I always start with the one with the greatest value, and that would be my dime. So I'm going to move my nickel back here, and then first I'm going to count my dimes. Remember, a dime is worth 10 cents, so we can count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then a nickel's worth 5, so I'll just add 5 to that. 50 plus 5 is 55 cents. Now I have 55 cents. I'm going to exchange a dime for a quarter. Now again, my quarter is the coin with the greatest value, and my dime is the coin with the second greatest value. However, I want to count my nickel with my quarter first because we love friendly numbers, which are multiples of 10s. We like those best. So when I add 25 plus 5, that gives me 30 cents. Then I can simply just count by 10. So we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and that gives me 70 cents. So now this time I'm going to take out my nickel and replace it with a penny. So in this case, I would count my dimes next. I'm going to move that penny down to the back, and we can start by counting 25, 10 more would be 35, 45, 55, 65, plus 1 would be 66 cents. Now you can practice doing these at home and just swap out your coins and practice counting various coin amounts. Okay, so I pulled out my wallet out of my purse, and I want you to help me count my change. So let's dump it out here. I don't know how much I have. So let's sort it. I have 2 quarters, a dime, a nickel, and 4 pennies. So I want you right now to hit pause and see if you can figure out how much change I have in my wallet. Okay, let's check your answer. I organized my coins from greatest to least. So I'm going to count my 2 greatest coins, and I know 25 plus 25, that equals 50, plus 10, 60. That gives me a nice friendly number, 60. 65, 66, 67, 68, $69. So now that I've emptied my wallet, I have a problem for you to solve, and it's a real problem. This is a true story. Shout out to some of you who sent in your work the past couple of weeks. Itzel Cruz and Eli Collins. We were so super happy to see your solutions, and we want to see if more of you can share. So are you ready for your problem?
Miss Maynard wants to buy a soda. A soda costs $1. If Miss Maynard has 69 cents in her wallet, how much more money does she need to buy a soda?
Please send your answers to me or Mr. Baker. You can email us or send it on Remind or post on our Facebook page. We would love to see your responses. As always, do not forget to answer in a complete sentence. We love you guys and we miss you guys.